हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द प्राइस एक्शन गाइड। आज हम लोग देखेंगे दैट हाउ निफ्टी हैज बिहेव्ड इन द recent टाइम्स, हाउ इट बिहेव्ड on Monday's trading session, and what can we expect from the Nifty to be behaving or to be trading on Tuesday's trading session. So first I have put the Bank Nifty on hourly time frame. We can see that since 19th of July, Nifty started moving in a channel. It has neither broken the channel on the upside nor on the downside. Now it is at the bottom of this channel. So if it breaks this channel, comes down, retests it and goes down again, then we can expect Nifty to touching these levels, 36,300, 36,000 and 35,900 and so on in the near future. Now we will see what we discussed for the Bank Nifty and how Bank Nifty behaved on Monday. So I clearly told you guys on my analysis that you draw this trend line. I told you that Nifty, if opens flat, goes up, it might take a rejection from 37,000 level, because this is a round number and it's also a very important psychological level. This level has also been a very good resistance on a bigger time frame. So this was a very crucial point and I expected some resistance or some reversal from here. So if I'll take you on a 5-minute chart, you clearly see we formed a doji over here. On a 10-minute chart, you can see that we formed a doji. We opened over here, closed over here. The top long wick and a small body showed that market might take a rejection from here. So someone who would have watched this would have taken an entry over here at 36,600 and 36,900 and 60 or 65, would have kept his stop loss at 37,000, that is 30 points on spot, and his first target would have been 36,800. So 30 points stop loss and again 60-70 points of the target. So 1:2 was the risk reward ratio. Then the second target was this trend line. Now those who didn't had a chance to enter over here, और जिन्होंने मेरी analysis देखी होगी, for the safer side they would have waited for this trend line to be broken. After this trend line broke, it retraced. People might have made an entry over here at 36,719, would have kept a stop loss say around 36,750. So again 30 points, just slightly above this trend line. So 30 points on spot. First target would have been 30 to 40 points. From here it would have been again 20 to 30 points. So that was 1:1. And the second target would have been this area, 36,450. So from here 36,720 to 36,450. So at least 280 points in a single trade. And for those who have entered earlier, 970 to 460. So at least 500 points in a go. So that would have been at least 260 to 270 points in options. From here you see that it formed a bullish engulfing Also, it was a major, important price action zone. So it took a support from here. Also, it took support from the channel in which it was moving. It went up, and the moment it broke this level, you can see it shooted up really good. So after the breaking this trend line 36,600, and someone who would have entered above this level 36,630, keeping a stop loss of say around 50-60 points on spot. So that would have been around 25 to 30 points in option. You would have easily got at least 300 points. So that would have again been a 1:10 risk reward ratio. 300 points over here, 500 points over here. So 800 points total in the option in 2 trades. And 800 points on spot means at least you would have got 400 points on your option price. 300 to 400, 350 to 400 points. So that was a really, 2 trades were really nice. We got some really nice trades today. Now we'll see what can we expect the Nifty to be behaving on Tuesday. Now we go back again on 15 minutes time frame. See, there was this pattern, the form. Now this is the pattern that has been formed. Now if you see it again, just like Nifty, we can see a head and shoulders forming over here. So if Nifty comes down and breaks this channel and breaks this trend line, goes up, takes a rejection from 36,600 levels, then we might see a downside momentum. But what happens if Nifty takes a support from over here, this channel that is moving? If you see any price action that is taking support from over here, you can put your stop loss at 36,600 and go for your targets for at least 1:2, 1:3 risk reward ratio. After 36,800 is broken, we can expect some rejection to be happening on 37,000. So these two will be our targets on upside, and these 2 points will be our target on downside. Now if Nifty even comes down below 36,400 and breaks the day low, yesterday's low of 36,300, then we can see a huge fall. I mean, see, if Nifty breaks this channel, this trend line goes up. I'll clear the screen a bit. Say if Nifty comes down from over here, breaks the channel, breaks the trend line, takes a rejection from here and breaks this line, then we can expect some huge momentum on the downside. So this is the trade setup for Tuesday. Thank you for your precious time. If you like the analysis, kindly do like and subscribe the channel, share the video, and kindly share your feedback in the comments on how to improve.